When your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote suddenly stops responding, begin with the simplest fix, the batteries. Remove the cover and make sure they're installed correctly with proper polarity. Even if they look fine, weak batteries can still power the LED, but fail to send a strong signal. Check the metal contacts inside the compartment for corrosion, especially in humid rooms, and clean them gently with isopropyl alcohol. Next, test the remote within 10 to 20 feet of the fan. Stand directly beneath it and try different angles. Since Harbor Breeze remotes use radio frequency, walls and large electronics can sometimes interfere. If you're in a smart home setup, temporarily power down nearby Wi-Fi routers or wireless hubs to rule out signal interference. Another common cause is mismatched dip switches. Open the battery compartment and compare the tiny switch pattern with the receiver inside the fan canopy. Every switch must match exactly. If they don't, the fan won't respond. If the remote still doesn't work, reset the system. Turn off power at the breaker, wait about 30 seconds, restore power, and follow the pairing instructions for your model. If replacement is necessary, locate both the fan model number on the motor housing and the remote model number inside the battery area. You can choose a universal remote, a model-specific version for special features, or upgrade to a smart remote for future compatibility. Always cut power before installing a new receiver and match wire colors carefully.